Welcome back to my YouTube channel as I continue on my Mandarin learning journey. Please keep in mind that I am learning the language, so my grammar and my tones are definitely not perfect. If you have any suggestions, corrections, your feedback is most welcome. You can just leave a comment in the comment section below. One of the first basic questions that I came across was how to ask for someone's name. So it's 你名字叫什么?你名字叫什么? I've been also practicing how to ask where someone is from in Mandarin. So it's 你从哪里来?你从哪里来?你从哪里来? Like I said, I am learning and my pronunciation is probably off, but it's close, that I'm sure of. I've also been practicing how to ask for someone's age. So it's 你今年多大?你今年多大?你今年多大? I've also been practicing how to ask what someone does for work. So this is how you ask. 你做什么工作?你做什么工作? So I've also been practicing how to ask for someone's phone number. You know that can come across as very useful at times. So it's 你的手机号码是多少? Or 你的手机号码是什么? 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 I hope you found this video to be helpful. Please feel free to leave a comment below if you have any feedback. Please do like, subscribe for more content. I will see you in the next video.